You're watching Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content. Welcome to a comprehensive review of Kraken Pro, a leading cryptocurrency investment platform. We'll explore its features, ideal users, and assess its strengths for crypto investors and traders. Find helpful links to Kraken Pro in the description below. Kraken Pro serves as Kraken's advanced trading platform, catering to users seeking minimal fees, substantial liquidity, and professional-grade tools. It offers a trifecta of trading options, spot, margin, and futures, positioning it among the most feature-rich exchanges currently available. With access to over 200 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a wide array of altcoins, Kraken Pro accommodates both retail and institutional traders. A significant advantage of Kraken Pro is its competitive fee structure, employing a maker-taker model. Fees begin at a modest 0.16% for makers and 0.26% for takers, decreasing substantially with increased trading volumes. This pricing model makes Kraken Pro a compelling alternative to other exchanges like Binance.us or Coinbase Pro. For margin trading, Kraken Pro provides leverage of up to 5x on selected assets. Furthermore, its futures trading platform allows for leverage up to 50x, making it an attractive choice for active traders seeking to maximize their positions. Security is paramount, and Kraken Pro is recognized as one of the most trusted platforms in the industry. It utilizes cold storage for the majority of its assets, enforces two-factor authentication, 2FA, and adheres to strict KYC verification procedures to ensure user protection. Importantly, Kraken boasts an unblemished security record, having never been hacked, a remarkable achievement among major crypto exchanges. Kraken Pro is available on both desktop and mobile platforms, offering advanced charting tools, diverse order types, and customizable trading interfaces. Its API integration makes it particularly well-suited for algorithmic traders. However, deposit and withdrawal options can vary depending on your location. While US users can utilize ACH and wire transfers, debit and credit card support is more limited. Kraken Pro is ideally suited for serious traders, institutional investors, and those seeking a high-performance exchange with low fees and deep liquidity. Due to its complexity, it might not be the best starting point for absolute beginners. However, for experienced users, Kraken Pro stands out as one of the premier trading platforms available. Interested in getting started? Check out the links in the description below.